Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start third term. Already 2 terms we have over. Now this term you pay your attention properly. I want everybody will get above 95. Okay, so let us start. Ready, steady, start. The Lost Doll, written by Charles Kingsley. I once had a sweet little doll, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. Her cheeks were so red and white, dears, and her hair was so charmingly curled, pleasantly, attractively. But I lost my poor little doll, dears, as I played on the heath one day. Heath means an area of land covered in grass and shrubs. Dears means dear friends. And I cried for her more than a week, dears, but I never could find where she lay. I found my poor little doll, dears, as I played on the heath one day. Folks said she is terribly changed, dears. Fox means people. For her paint is as washed away, and her arms trodden by the cows, dears, and her hair not the least bit curled. Yet, for old sake's sake, she is still, dears. For old sake's terribly means to a great extent or extremely. For old sake's sake, that means doing something in order to remember happy times. Yet for old sake's sake, she is still, dears, the prettiest doll in the world. So children, you read it in front of the mirror and learn it. Okay. Now see here. This one you read loudly. Now answer the following. What did doll look like before it was? See, answer is in the line. If you read this poem, you will get the answer here. The sweet doll's cheeks were so red and white, and hair was so charmingly curled before it was lost. Number 2. What did the doll look like after it was found? Here, the doll was looked terribly changed. Her paint was all washed away, her arms trodden off by cows, and her hair not the least bit curled after it was found. Number 3. What animals live on the heath? Heath means the grassland, cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. What did the other people say about the doll? Number 4. The other people said that the sweet doll was terribly changed. Her paint was washed away and trodden off by the cows. Her arms trodden off by the cows, and her hair not the least bit curled. What does the poet think about the doll now? See, same thing. The poet thought that the doll is still the prettiest doll in the world. Which lines in the poem are repeated? Children, you can do it yourself. Even that, let me tell. The prettiest word, the second line, and the last line of the poem. Then, as I played on the heath one day, the 6th line and 10th line, as I played on the heath one day. Now here, number C. Unscramble these words from the poem. Talk about what they mean. This is found. Found means lost, found. Cried, laugh. Curled, straight hairs. And this one, this is the opposite meaning. First you unscramble the words, then you write the opposite meaning. And discuss and write. This one you discuss yourself and write about a favorite toy, describe and say why you like it. This one you do it yourself. Thank you.